We've got a very nice event coming up between Hyung Sung Park and Andre Lima. Hyung Sung Park is a demolisher finisher, the guy who choked out Seung-Wook Choi and destroyed Shannon Ross via liver shot to ground strikes. But Andre the Mascot Lima is also another finisher, 5'10", 67.5 inches of reach. Team Lucas Mineiro fighter. Well, against Ihor Severino, he won due to biting, but Severino was leading the fight, Severino was leading that fight. He was better than Rickson Zinedine, but we haven't seen much of Andre Lima in that fight, and I believe Hyun Sung Park is way better fighter than Ihor Severino. I believe Andre Lima is going to improve some aspects of his game, because yes, he's a finisher, man, but if he fights Hyun Sung Park like that, Hyun Sung Park is probably going to finish him. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance, but my side call is the Korean guy. I think Hyun Sung Park is way more quality fighter than Ihor Severino.